Hey everybody, it's Mike from Next Gen RV. How are you? I find myself in a bit of a traffic jam, so I thought I'd film this right now. So what am I up to today? I am on my way to pick up my RV. That's what I'm dealing with, by the way. Okay, so anyway, I am picking up our travel trailer from General RV today, so I thought I would talk about that, why it was there, and what the whole experience was like. Yeah, so if you go back to the first video of this channel, you will see my little story about when both of our wheels fell off of our RV. This is the repair job from that. From that accident, we needed to get replaced, amongst other things, 2 new axles, wheels, tires, bumper, some sheet metal on the side, and so that's the work that we had done. So we're picking up the rig today from General RV in Wixon. It has been there for 4 months, and that's actually totally fine with me. When I dropped it off in October, all the parts weren't in yet. And so, but I knew that, and it's Michigan winter. I just wanted to get it into the shop and have it there so I didn't have to drive it to them in the winter. Yeah, so that was in October of 2022. I'm filming this in the 1st of March, I think, of 2023. So yeah, I was in the shop for about 4 months. So one thing I want to make real clear, this was insurance work and not warranty work or anything like that. So this had nothing to do with the fit and finish of my RV or anything like that. This was just from the accident that we had, needed to be repaired. So I did want to give a quick shout out to Cayenne over at General RV in Wixom. I'm going to guess she won't want to get on the camera, but I appreciate the fact that she always kept me updated, let me know where we were with the parts and all that kind of stuff. I mean, from a dealer's point of view, I can only imagine it's a bit frustrating as they're literally just waiting on parts to finish the job. So anyway, yeah, a quick shout out to Cayenne and her great communication and let me know what's going on. And when they finally did get the parts in, they actually completed the work pretty right away. So I'm looking forward to getting the rig back today, checking out the work and all that. And looks like traffic is clearing up, so I'm going to turn this off and concentrate on driving. All right, there she is. And it looks good. You'd never actually know that this is all damaged through here. I thought I was getting a new bumper, but maybe not. Anyway, paperwork is signed. Now we just gotta hook it up and talk to Cayenne some more. It's been a minute since I've actually hooked up my RV, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And she's back in her rightful parking spot. It's been a long time. All right, we're gonna get her unhooked. I got a lot of stuff in here from our last trip that I gotta get out of here. Let's go over the work from General RV. Bumper is yet to be replaced, but that's okay. That's going to come later on when that finally shows up. So I'm actually very impressed with this job. All of this was all smashed up, and it is now back to what it was. All right, we did it. She is unloaded. Again, Nice job on the repair. This was all messed up. I looked underneath. Everything underneath the bottom there was redone perfectly. Still waiting on the bumper. Now, we can go camping. Also, as I'm filming this, in 2 days we're supposed to get a foot of snow because it's Michigan. All right, get my wife's head off. All right, I am super excited, man. The RV is back, it's at storage. We can start working on it. Now, just gotta take that battery off, see if it'll hold a charge still. And if not, get a new battery. We got some lithium and solar coming later on this year. So, but for now I might need a quick little battery to get me by. Yeah. All right, yeah, I'm excited, man. The RV is back. I can start doing stuff. More videos soon.